So I thought of something. So when I was doing, I think it was biology, my teacher explained how things got energy from sun, whatever. Let's say grass got 100% of the energy from sun, and then the grasshopper who ate the grass got 10%, and then the grasshopper got 1%, right? And to me, that's logical, right? But it just kind of hit me why most of the largest animals larger animals to exist are herbivoric, because they need the energy directly from the sun. Plants get the most of it. So it makes logical sense, I guess, for a lot of the bigger creatures on the planet to be herbivoric, because they'll get energy more directly. Since they're bigger, they need more of that. But just a random thought at 3:13 in the morning. So enjoy that, y'all.